My group decided to do our project on kindness. So the situation we chose was the following. The scenario we decided on was a student who is disrespectful and says something rude to a student with special needs. The student doesn't recognize that what he is doing is bad and doesn't have a lot of experience with other special needs students. It has disrupted the lesson plan and has led to confusion in the classroom. The student with special needs felt sad because some of the students found the situation funny and giggled. So the solution that my group came up with was the following. When I became aware of the situation, I called the attention of the students with great tenderness but with firmness. I informed them that it is not at all well to mock and to discriminate. I asked them, are not all children special? What do we mean when we say children with special needs? We refer any child who may need additional help due to a medical, emotional, or learning problem. These children have special needs because they may need medicine, therapy, or extra help at school, things that other children do not usually need or just need from time to time. You could also ask everybody to write down things that make them special and help them recognize that we all have things that are special or unique about us. Ask, how would it make you feel if someone teased you for something that makes you unique? It would also be a good idea to then encourage the students to praise each other for the things that make them unique and special. Help them understand that each human being is different and that it is good to be different. There is knowledge in divergence. The world would be very boring if we were all the same. The lesson that we developed is as followed. The lesson title would be Questions for Travelers. The student age would be 13 years old or 8th grade. The lesson objective is the student will be able to have some basic questions when traveling to another country. The length of the activity is about 10 minutes. The activity is that the students will create some questions that they think will help in a future travel. After they finish the practice questions, they do a little role play, such as, where is the blank? How much is it, or how much is this? Could you please help me? Could you please tell me the way to? Excuse me, sir, madam, do you know where blank is? And finally, do you know which is the gate for flight blank? To continue the lesson, you would introduce vocabulary such as bathroom, gate, hotel, hat, directions, beach, restaurant, luggage, museum, and passport. The materials we would need would be pen, paper, vocabulary words, and fill in the blank questions with examples. In order to change the plan, it would go as followed. With this unforeseen scenario, the dynamics of the class is modified by the fact that given the circumstances, a subject like this should not be ignored, and it is the teacher's responsibility to approach it responsibly. It is essential to educate students about the importance of respecting others and that the diversity is very necessary in life, not only the diversity in people, but in everything that surrounds us. Each culture has many things in common, but in the differences, it is what makes us each unique. The same goes for people, and you have to value them and see the good things that they have, as well as when we visit a place, we can see and learn about the good things that this country has also.